How you doing, boys and girls? It's Trader Dara. So in this video today is the 22nd of March, a Friday, the last trading day of the week, right? So this week we mostly had missed setups, a lot of missed setups, or price not even returning back to give us an entry. But for today, Friday, this is one of the analysis I have for the market, right? Because if we come to the 4-hour time frame, here's what we get to see, right, real quick. Get to see that this was 4-hour structure broken to the upside, and price just did a retracement all the way down here, right? Price tried turning bullish, right? Yeah, failed, taking out the low. So we have to use confirmation before we take a buy. We can't just take a buy, right, without confirmation, because at this rate there's bearish energy and price could just do a 4-hour break of structure and turn bearish, right? So to be on the safe side, whenever you see situations like this, we always want to use confirmations for our entry. And a lot of people get to lose money even when they are attempting to look for confirmation, but because they don't understand the proper rules of confirmation, right? So real quick, I'll just show you the confirmation rules, right? I'm waiting for 15 minutes candles to be formed. I'll wait for price to take out the low, right? Break of structure to the downside on 15 minutes, valid 6 minutes candles, and afterwards when price comes and take that out, right, if we get a retracement, that's when I'll buy. Very simple, right? So if you don't understand, don't worry, just join my guide, my free community, not the guidance, right? Just join the free community. Like I said, boys and girls, be active for the setup. So all I'm telling you guys is just, make sure your notification is on, right? Just go just go and make sure the notification, your bell icon is on, right? Turn on your notification. So once I see this confirmation has happened, I'll tell you guys, okay, I'll send this trade to you guys to buy. But if it doesn't happen, then we don't get to have a trade. We'll continue next week, Monday. Very simple, guys. That's just how a profitable trader follows his trading plan. Okay, join this group. She trades FX. Here is the link. It's also being in the description, right? So just join the group. She trades FX 20, right? Once you join it, I want you to just scroll up a bit. You'll see this, right? Just scroll up here, right? And then once you scroll up, you guys see this, right? Then all you're looking for is, make sure you purchase a Kortana Fx account, guys. Purchase a Kortana Fx account using this link, right? I mostly recommend Kortana. There are others, right? You can see the list of other accounts here. You can see Nova Funding, Kortana, Infinity Forex, and Solution, right? But I strongly recommend Kortana Fx and Alpine Funded, right? Alpine Funded and Kortana Fx. But for now, Alpine Funded has not yet launched. It will launch first week of April. So guys, in the meantime, use Kortana Fx. Buy the account size you can afford, whether it's a 10k, 15k, 25k, or 50k, or 100k, or 200k, right? Buy the ones you can afford. Then these are the fees which you have to pay so that She Trades FX will have your account passed. So with no further ado, we can come to the end of this video. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead and a wonderful trading weekend. A wonderful weekend, right? It's Trader Dara. Have a wonderful one, guys.